Hello and welcome to my new video, which is based on how can you write the format and the content of the letter to editor. So in writing letter to editor, you have to remember some of the few points which will help you to score good. The letter to editor is of 120 to 150 words word limit in your 12th and 11th standard, and it comprises of 6 marks. So it is very necessary to have, it's not necessary that you have to put all the hard words into it, but it is necessary to avoid the grammatical mistakes and to write the right content and format. So how can you write it? Just listen. Firstly, the format is for letter to editor. You have to mention sender's address. That means the address of yours, which is mentioned in your question paper. After that, after skipping a line, you have to mark the date. Let us suppose today's date, which is 7th of December. Okay. Then again skip a line and mark the receiver's address to whom you post the letter or give the letter. So which is editor here, the editor, and the name of the newspaper. It may be mentioned in the question paper, otherwise you have to suppose it. Let us suppose the Hindustan Times. Okay, and the place. After skipping another line, you have to mark the subject regarding or complaining about what. Then after skipping a line, you have to mark the salutation, sir or madam, and then your content starts. Your content should comprise of 3 paragraphs. One is for introduction, another is for cause of problem, and third one is conclusion or solution. Okay? And finally, you have to mark the designation, which is like this way: yours sincerely or faithfully or truly, and then your name. Okay, so I'm telling you about an illustration or scenario of insanitary condition. As you know all, Clean India campaign is going on in the whole country, so we should have to also participate in that. But apart from that, I would like you to describe about the insanity condition, because it is the current affair and it comes in many question paper I've seen in, and what you have to mention that is like this. Firstly, remember some of the few points of fixed lines which can make you to get good score. So these lines are: through the column of your esteemed newspaper or reputed newspaper, I would like to draw, remember this thing, in the letters other than editor, we have to write, I would like to draw your kind attention, because we are directly talking or conversing with a particular authority. But in this, in editor, the editor is only going to publish our content, whereas the authorities are responsible to take the action. We are just giving them the confirmation about the dealing which is happening in our locality or the mishap. So you have to write, I would like to draw the kind attention of concerned authorities. Okay? Of concerned authorities. 2 words. After that, you have to mention your problem. Let us suppose in insanity condition, what you can write: I would like to draw the kind attention of concerned authorities towards the insanitary condition in our locality. So, what are the basic reasons which you can give in this? Maybe the sweepers of this locality are not regular in their duties. The heaps of rubbish are lying here and there. You have to describe the situation which the residents are undergoing through. Okay? And then cause. The insanitary condition, the insanitation can cause so many diseases, some epidemics, dengue, malaria, H1, so on. So we have to be careful about it before it will take a drastic change. Okay. In last conclusion or solution, you can write the fixed paragraph which can fix into each and every question related to the letter. What is it? So the concerned authorities are requested to look into the matter personally and relieve us from this problem as early as possible. And you can you can show the gratitude of yours towards the authority, towards the editor. So the residents of this locality shall be highly obliged to you for this act of kindness. And lastly, thanking you yours sincerely in your name. I hope you understand the format of the letter to editor. Especially in our next video, we'll discuss some of the few points regarding writing section. Till then, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you have any query, you can comment over it. Thank you so much.